Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to see your drafts on TikTok, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily see your drafts on TikTok. So just open your TikTok and tap on this plus icon here and just record a video. Let's say I'm just recording a video for this tutorial. Next, and just write all of this thing what you want to write, and maybe you want to add hashtags, your location, and each and everything. Then just click on this draft here and it will save on your profile as a draft. Now how you can see, just click on here or tap on here profile, and you can see there is a draft option. Just tap on this and you can see all the list of your drafts. Like this video I record earlier, and from here you can see all these drafts. So basically this is how you can easily see your drafts. And if you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.